Oh, to replace the broken mirror. Had a collision, so I'm gonna figure out how that works. All I've seen in this tutorial of a Sprinter, but this one might be different. See, I pull this glass out, and I need two hands to pull it out and see how that works. Well, actually, I'll pull it outwards. Really afraid to pull that out. Like, I have a bad feeling that is going to break right on me fucking fingers. Maybe into that part. Oh, that mirror's out. What I did was stick the screwdriver back there, pry that out, and I see about down there that forces out. So I reckon, yeah, that can be pulled out by hand. I have to be very careful with it. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Same with that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It works just the same as Mercedes. Typical Ireland. Turn terrain. So it's going to need one of those Torx screws or Allen keys, whatever it's going to fit. I think triple squared, whatever. I know, typical Volkswagen anyways. They use something like these. I'll see what it'll take. Too big. 220, something smaller. No, I don't believe this. It takes an Allen key. This is going to take me a while. I think it's 1/8 or whatever that size is. 7/64, I don't know, metrics per kangaroo. That's the size. Screws attached to the Allen key because my specialist tools is not small enough. Right, all the screws are out. So I see clips here, clips there with the screwdriver. Oh, for fuck's sake, I'm just going to go in off the rain. Right, that stopped raining now. So, clip to clip. That didn't want to come out, so there's tabs all over the side, so I have to unclip all of them, pry the whole lot with the screwdriver, and then out it should come. Okay, you just pull it out by hand. Try it with a screwdriver. It's a bit awkward because there's a gap between. I think I'll pull it, rip it out by hand. So I'll tell you what the story is in a minute. Yeah, just pull it out by hand, but just push down the tabs at the same time and it's off. Right, I tried to pull this off, which is loose. I see another metal tab in there. See that silvery bit? I'm going to try to pull that one out. Straight out. I think there was just that wee tab in there. Right there. And then I think there was meant to be another tab there, but that broke off. Straight out. Easy peasy. To say the least now, the mirror is a great design. Like, the indicator is 100%, rear gas 100%, top of the mirror is 100%, just the whole bottom just broke off. Nicely done anyways. Whoever designed that now needs a pat on the back. Didn't need to remove the top at all, I just put it back in. And it just sits sandwiched in with the indicator. And it just clips back in. And yeah, that's how the indicator holds. If you want to replace it, there's just a wee plug, and and off you go. Swap over. I'm going to sample it now. Yep, straight on. Clip, clip. Even those two as well. Just going to screw these back in. That is just so handy. That's really good. So 2 screws holds this whole top thing, and then 2 bottom ones goes through where the indicator is, and that will screw onto this back piece. I'm just going to screw that on now. So 2 screws holds this whole piece there, and 2 bottom ones goes through where the indicators are, and that'll screw into this bottom piece. But before I do that, I'm just going to connect the 2 wires in. Well, I don't know which one's which, so I hope that doesn't matter. So these 2 go in the top mirror, these 2 go in the bottom mirror. So I'm just going to connect them up. I better connect these 2 pins there before I even clip this all the way back, because I need to put 2 screws and screw the whole back plate on it. So I'm just going to connect this one up and leave it hanging down. That bottom plate should be good to go. Just leave it hanging down like that. I hope it's the right way. Hope it doesn't explode. And that one's done. I'm just going to clip like whoosh. Yep, straight in that way. Now these 2 wires are stronger than most relationships, so they're doing pretty good. And I'm just going to clip this glass all the way back. Well, actually I just tightened the 2 screws there. Yeah, these pliers works wonders now for handling, because I have to like re-tap the whole screws into a new piece of plastic. Looks really good now, so I'm just gonna put this whole thing in. Hope for the best. Just click in. Yeah, straight away. I can let the electronics take care of that. I'll take a closer look to that. Hope it's not too loose. And you want to remove the whole mirror. It's these 2 screws there. Big ass Torx screws. So yeah, that's the video of it. It's not a good video. I happened to have the phone in my hand and I thought, you know what, screw it. I may as well show it to you while I'm doing it, and hope it helps.